Hello everyone, welcome back into the Schematic Work channel. The topic of this video, how we can download and install the Arduino IDE in 2026. Okay, search the Arduino and click on this first home page of Arduino. They ask for accepting R cookies, so accepted, and after that there is the product options. So into the product option, you scroll down and here is the Arduino cloud. So this is the cloud version and that's the software Arduino IDE. Click on it, scroll down, and here you see this is the Arduino IDE 2.3.6 latest version, and they ask for window. This is for Windows Win 10 or a newer 64-bit system, and there is the option for the different operating system for Linux, for Mac, so you can choose according to your operating system. I'm choosing the Windows 10 right now, and now I need to click on this download button here. Now Arduino IDE 2.3.6 is downloading right now, and I show you how we can install when the downloading is complete. Now we start how we can install the Arduino. So right click on it and run as administrator. Installation window is open and click on I agree. Click on anyone who use this computer, click on next and then install. Now installation is complete and this is a tick mark run Arduino IDE. So if you don't want to run it, so just uncheck and click on finish. So they ask for sometime window defender blocking some feature of Arduino IDE, so just simply now, and they ask for update are available for some of your boards. So if you click on install all, so then they install the all updated board, or you can do it later also. So in that way you can run these your programs on the Arduino. And I hope so you like this video and you understand how you can download and install the Arduino IDE in 2026 on your computer and PC. So I see you the next time.